Here is Holden's chart of accounts. The names and the types are listed here. This is how you put them in. From the main menu, click List Chart of Accounts, and the Chart of Accounts window opens up. The bottom left button of the Chart of Accounts window controls the list. If you want to put on a new account, click in the bottom left and choose New. The first window that pops up is the Choose Account Type window, where you have to choose the account type of only the first one that you're putting on the list. In our case, it's a bank type of account, so we click here and get a quick explanation that we might not need. When you click Continue, you get to the real window, the Add New Account window. To stay in this window, without going back to the other one each time, click Save and New after each new account rather than Save and Close. If you click Save and Close, you have to reopen the window and then you'll get the Choose Account Type window like a moment ago. Notice you still have all the choices of account types in this pull down here. Leave Bank, click an account name, put your cap locks on, and type Cash in Bank. Click Save and New. Now you can click the window that holds the chart of accounts in front, to come in front, and then you can see here's the name and the type. Stay at this window. The next type of account is Accounts Receivable, and the name is actually Accounts Receivable. Click Save and New to keep the window here, but if you bring forward the chart of accounts, you see it added Accounts Receivable, and so on. The next type is Other Current Asset, and the name of the next account on the list is Supplies. Save and New. Come here, and now we have Supplies and Other Current Asset. Notice if you leave the cap locks on, it will be very easy for you to see the difference between the accounts that you added and the accounts that QuickBooks automatically added. The next one on the list is, I believe, is a fixed asset, and the name is Equipment. Click Save and New, and you can see Equipment, the fixed asset, has been added to the list. The next account on the list, I believe, is Account Payable, and it's the name as well as the type. Excuse me, a little typo there. Click Save and New. The next one on the list, I believe, is let's just put on, let me see what's on the list here. Okay, Video Income and Editing Income. So the next type is Income. The name is Video Income. Save and New. Leave Income as the selected type and choose Editing Income. Save and New. And then all that's left are the expenses: delivery, electric, repair, and telephone. Change type to expense. Delivery, expense. Save and New. Telephone, expense. Save and New. And what was the other one? Repair and electric. Electric, expense. Save and New. And repair, expense. For the last one, you can click Save and Close, and that will save it and close out the window. And now we have the complete chart of accounts, both in name and in type, to the list that was given at the beginning here. You might notice two quick things. Number one, QuickBooks automatically puts certain accounts in the chart of accounts. We will disregard those as we are not using them. And notice they are in lowercase. You may also notice that you can delete or remove any account by right-clicking on the account and choosing Delete Account, or click on the account and from the main menu click Edit Delete. If you cannot delete an account, you can make it inactive. You can click on the account, and then when you right-click, you can still choose Make Account Inactive, and that's only if it does not let you delete the account. Another way to make the account inactive is to click on the account and choose Edit, Make Account Inactive.